Hey everybody, it's Julianne from Cary Quilting Company in Cary, North Carolina. Today is Thursday, June 7th, and I have three quick makes for you today. So if you're looking for a project that will get you one and done, I actually did a project like that yesterday, and sometimes it's great when you're in the middle of something big to just push it aside and do something quick so you get some nice results. So our first one is called the So Charmed Patriotic Table Runner Kit. This kit includes the pattern and the fabric for the quilt top and the binding. This is about 19 by 48 inches. And the 5-inch squares are already cut for you. So here's our cute little kits with the 5-inch squares right inside. And you also get that pattern by Villa Rosa Designs that you can use again later. The next one we have for you is a new Sassy Sunflower combo. So this is 5 half-yard cuts of fabric, and it's enough to make an entire quilt top or the tippy tote. So the Sassy Sunflower program has 8 different quilt tops and a tote bag, and they all can be made with the same amount of yardage. So what you do is you pick your pack, and then you pick your pattern, and then you have something fun to make with fabric that you love. So this is a new pack, and we're calling it Queen Bee, and it joins all the other packs on our big rounder over there with all of the samples. And then the final thing I wanted to share with you is something I made this past weekend. No, Monday? I don't know. Sometime recently. I took the border print from our All Carolina Shop Pop fabric from last year and then put it into 4 pieces. So I have a nice mitered pillow pattern. And this is a free pattern from us. So I have the free pattern right here. And then we have 1.5 yard chunks of the border fabric, which is what you need to make the quilt top or the pillow top. It's a really simple pillow. I just did one piece on the back, the 4-piece pieced part on the front, and then I just zipped it closed with a whip stitch. But the nice thing about this is this fabric is unique to the All Carolina Shop Pop, and it says I love North Carolina, I love South Carolina all around it. So if you have a friend that maybe loves to visit you, or maybe you just love the Carolinas, this would be a fun make for a summer bench pillow for your front porch or wherever you may want to put your pillows. So that's what we have for you today. I hope you have a great afternoon, and we'll see you back here from the shop tomorrow. Bye.